Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on Xbox Series X without a Kinect. The primary method involves using your smartphone as a motion controller. Simply download the free Just Dance controller app onto your mobile device. This innovative application allows your phone to track your movements, sending data wirelessly to your Xbox. It's a seamless and convenient way to enjoy all the dancing fun without needing any additional hardware beyond your console and phone. Setting up your smartphone is straightforward. First, make sure both your Xbox Series X and your mobile device are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Next, launch the Just Dance controller application on your phone. The app is designed to automatically detect your Xbox console. Once it appears on your phone screen, simply select your Xbox from the list to establish the connection. You are now ready to start dancing in just a few moments. During gameplay, hold your smartphone firmly in your right hand. The app uses your phone's sensors to track your movements, so try to mimic the on-screen dancer's choreography as closely as possible. Your phone acts as your primary input device, registering your hand gestures and overall body motion. This method provides a surprisingly accurate and responsive experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the game and achieve high scores. Get ready to move. So, to recap, playing Just Dance on your Xbox Series X without a Kinect is entirely possible and very simple. The Just Dance controller app on your smartphone is the official and most effective solution. You won't need any other specialized motion-sensing peripherals. This method is compatible with many Just Dance game titles, offering a consistent experience. Grab your phone, connect to your Xbox, and get ready to enjoy countless hours of dancing, fun, and a great workout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.